Hello dear fans. Where to see images of the Hubble telescope? Hubble is a space telescope launched into near-Earth orbit by the American Aerospace Agency NASA, together with the European Astronomical Agency back in 1990. In May this year, the automatic observatory underwent its fourth renovation and started working with renewed vigor. Unlike ground-based telescopes, Hubble images are completely free from atmospheric distortions. And, which is of paramount importance for scientists, the equipment can measure electromagnetic radiation coming from space in various ranges. First of all, in the infrared range, for which the atmosphere of our planet is opaque. New instruments and cameras installed by Space Shuttle Atlantis astronauts have made Hubble's images clearer than they were before the renovation. Despite the fact that the work of the world's largest space telescope from the very beginning did not go very smoothly, including the difficulties associated with its optical effect, over time they were overcome. Now the capabilities of Hubble allow you to explore distant galaxies and quasars, study exoplanets, the processes of birth and death of distant stars. The telescope itself is about the size of an average bus. Every week it transfers to the European Control Center up to 120 gigabytes of various information, including photos and videos. Various images of space obtained by Hubble at different times are posted on the internet for everyone to see. The pictures are of unearthly beauty, high quality, and resolution. By the way, to conduct your own space exploration using a telescope, you just need to submit an application to the European Astronomical Agency. True, there are a lot of applications, therefore, first of all, those that were submitted by scientists and scientific communities are being fulfilled. In the near future, according to official statements from NASA, it is planned to study Pluto and the outer regions of the solar system in detail, with the help of new equipment to collect data on individual distant stars, to find out the chemical composition of dying stars. The most interesting photographs will also be published on the official sites in the global network. Below is a list of resources that host photos from the Hubble. Thanks for watching.